Hello everyone. Let's dive into the alarming rise of human metapneumovirus, HMPV, with India already reporting 3 cases. This virus has sparked global concerns, much like past respiratory outbreaks. Today, we'll explore its symptoms, transmission modes, and key facts. Let's uncover the science behind this virus and its impact on global health. We'll explore the human metapneumovirus, HMPV, and its implications on global health. Here's what we'll cover, from understanding HMPV, its spread, symptoms, and prevention, to the latest research and success stories. Let's dive into these critical insights together. HMPV, first identified in 2001, is a respiratory virus causing common cold-like symptoms. It's widespread among vulnerable groups, such as children, elderly individuals, and those with weakened immune systems. Let's unravel its origins and how it affects people of all ages. Did you know that most individuals encounter HMPV before the age of 5? Early exposure might offer some immunity, but risks like pneumonia or cough exacerbations remain. Understanding these risks can help in managing and mitigating severe health outcomes. The spread of HMPV resembles that of COVID-19. Think coughing, sneezing, and contaminated surfaces. The virus thrives in colder months, making winter and spring critical seasons for vigilance. Early recognition of HMPV symptoms is crucial to prevent severe outcomes. Common signs include cough, fever, nasal congestion, and shortness of breath. If left untreated, HMPV can progress to more serious conditions like bronchitis or pneumonia, or even lead to other respiratory infections. Understanding its progression allows for timely intervention and better management of the disease. Being aware of these symptoms can help ensure quicker treatment and reduce the risk of complications. Advanced diagnostic tools like RT-PCR and ELISA are essential for detecting HMPV accurately. RT-PCR, a nucleic acid amplification test, directly detects the viral genome, while ELISA identifies viral antigens in respiratory secretions. These methods ensure precise diagnosis, enabling effective treatment strategies. RT-PCR and ELISA provide critical information for healthcare providers, helping them manage HMPV cases promptly and appropriately, ultimately improving patient outcomes. Preventing HMPV starts with simple habits, frequent hand washing, avoiding contact with sick individuals, and cleaning shared surfaces. Key preventive measures include washing hands with soap and water, avoiding touching your face with unwashed hands, keeping distance from sick people, and regularly cleaning frequently touched objects like toys and door handles. These practices are the best defense to reduce the risk of transmission and protect yourself and others from the virus. Infected individuals can help curb HMPV spread by practicing mindful habits. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing. Wash hands frequently with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, avoid sharing utensils, refrain from kissing others, and stay home when sick. These simple actions can significantly reduce the virus's transmission, protecting others and promoting a healthier environment. A little caution goes a long way in preventing the spread of HMPV. In India, 3 infant cases highlight the importance of vigilance, as the virus spreads locally without international travel links. Ongoing research is advancing vaccines and antiviral treatments, with global collaboration focused on effective containment. Past experiences in fighting respiratory viruses provide valuable lessons, driving innovation and preparedness. Simple actions, like frequent cleaning and maintaining personal hygiene, can greatly reduce HMPV spread. As always, prevention remains the best approach to safeguard public health and control the virus. In conclusion, awareness and proactive measures are key to reducing the impact of HMPV. By staying informed and taking preventative actions, we can protect ourselves and others. Let's work together to build a healthier, more aware society, ensuring that we are prepared to tackle any challenges posed by this virus. Together, we can make a significant difference in controlling its spread and safeguarding public health. If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. We are constantly bringing you insights and stories about business, technology, and innovation that you don't want to miss. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Let's spread the knowledge and keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.